Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we've got an exciting new product for you classic Bronco owners, our ignition and door lock sets with black bezels. This set fits the 68 to 77 Ford Broncos. This complete set includes the ignition cylinder, driver and passenger side door lock cylinders, 2 retainers, and 3 matching keys, all made to exact Ford factory specifications. They also feature black bezels for a clean, modern touch that still fits right in with your vintage interior. Whether you're restoring your Bronco or just need a fresh set of locks and keys, this kit gives you security, reliability, and style. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok.